Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add pages to our store. Navigate to Store, then click on Pages. You will see that I don't have no page in my store. Click on New Page. Then you will see two columns: Page Information and Page Content. First of all, we need to add the page information, the title, the URL, the status, and the picture if you like. For example, my page title is Privacy Policy. The URL, as you see, is generated from your title, but you can also edit the URL separately. Then change the status to publish if you like. And you can add a picture that will be previewed if you share this link in social media. Add a description for your page. I'm just gonna add a demo text like this. Then add a content for your page, and you can style your content using these tools here. If you click on three dots, you will see more tools. You can style the page content as you like. And you can also add pictures and videos to your page. After you have completed the page information in page content, click on Confirm. Now you have successfully added a page to your store.
Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.